Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can join clips in Pro Tools. So joining clips is typically referred to as consolidating. This process renders multiple clips and any gaps between them into a single new continuous audio file. So this will create a brand new audio file on your hard drive. Alright, select the clips you want to join. Using the grabber tool, this is hand icon which you see right here now on my mouse. Now you can drag this, and with selection tool I will press shift and then select this one. So now I have both selected. What we can do now is press shortcut, so alt shift and number 3 on the keyboard, and as you can see is joined together. On the Mac, you can press Option, Shift, and number 3 on your keypad. So, if you previously split a single clip and haven't moved the pieces, you can heal the cut without creating a new file. So, again, select two clips and press Ctrl H. Or on Windows or on Mac, CMD H. This only works if the clips are perfectly aligned and have not been processed or moved relative to each other. But I still prefer this method, Alt, Shift, and 3, and everything is together. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next